The 2011 Venza. The 2010 Toyota Venza blends the attributes of a crossover SUV with those of a wagon. Venza boasts a spacious interior, a powerful and efficient engine, a pleasant driving demeanor, innovative interior storage, and strong crash test scores. You're more than one thing, so is Venza, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power steering, driver airbag, cruise control, FWD, climate control, power door locks, CD player, passenger airbag, power windows, MP3 player, satellite radio, rear head airbag, cloth seats, power driver seat, privacy glass, tires, rear performance, tires, front performance, rear spoiler, rear bench seat. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.